Newb Misfits is one of our favorite games to practice finding patterns and writing code. The goal of this game is to figure out the pattern in each bar, detect the misfits, and then move them to the proper place using code to tell the pieces how to move. To find out what coding language to use, click the Open Example box at the bottom. This shows you how to enter the code so the computer can move the pieces. Click the box again to hide it. When you begin, analyze the patterns in each row and figure out which pieces you need to move to create the correct pattern. Notice each row is labeled with a number and each column with a letter. Use these to enter a code that tells the computer to move a piece from one cell to another. In this problem, we can see that the red triangle in cell A2 will complete the pattern in row 3 by swapping with the yellow square in B3. To make the move, first click on the column letter that the piece is in. Then click on the row number of the piece. You will see these appear on the code boxes on the right. Now that we have our first piece selected, click the coordinates for the piece you want to swap it with. Also do this for the other misfits you find. If you need to delete a move, simply click on the box you want to delete and re-enter your code. You can check your moves before submitting the final code by clicking the Run button. This is a great way to visualize your next moves, but each time you click Run, 2 bonus stickers will be lost. To keep all of your bonus stickers, you will need to get the entire code correct without hitting Run before you click Submit. When you finally submit the code, if your lines of code are correct, the computer will move the pieces highlighted in blue. Once all the moves are made, it will then check each row. If the sequence is correct, the row turns green. If the sequence is incorrect, the row will turn red and a new problem will appear. As you move up in games and rounds, patterns will have more misfits, requiring you to input more moves. Focus on making patterns one row at a time, and don't be afraid to check your work with the Run button, even if it means sacrificing a couple of bonus stickers. We hope you have fun playing Newb Misfits in the CT world. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!